Go.
Alright, so today we're going to learn about meiosis. So meiosis starts in interphase where there are three phases, G1, S, G, and G2. The cell grows, the DNA replicates, and the cell prepares itself for meiosis. Right now, as you can see, there's chromatin, and there's a nucleus, and the cell is diploid. Then we move on to prophase 1. The chromatin spiral up into chromosomes, and the nucleus disappears. The centrioles move to the opposite sides, and the chromosomes start to get into their homologous pairs. Then we go to metaphase 1. The spindle fibers attach themselves to the centromeres in the center of the chromosomes. Then the homologous pairs, or tetrads, line up at the center. Then we move to anaphase. This is the phase where the spindle fibers separate the tetrads to opposite sides of the cell. Then comes telophase 1. This is when the cell begins to become two separate cells. The nucleus reforms around the chromosomes, and the spindle fibers dissolve. After this comes prophase 2. The centrioles move to the outside of the cell again, as we saw in prophase 1, and the nucleus dissolves. Then we have metaphase 2. The sister chromatins line up at the equator, and the spindle fibers attach to the centromeres. Then we have anaphase 2, and just as we saw before, the sister chromatids are pulled to opposite sides of the cell by the spindle fibers. Then we come to telophase 2. In this phase, the nuclear membrane reforms, and the cell membrane begins to divide. The chromosomes unravel into chromatin again, the spindle fibers dissolve. Lastly, we have cytokinesis. At this point, we have 4 individual cells, which are all haploid and have 23 chromosomes, as they are going to be gametes. This ends meiosis.